This move-in ready 4-bed, 3.5-bath home is 7601 Pensgrove Road. Sitting on a large corner lot, the home has a 2-car side entry garage and rocking chair front porch. The backyard is an entertainer's paradise with multiple outdoor living areas, including a fire pit, stoned terrace, and a large deck off the rear of the home. The interior opens to a great room with vaulted ceiling, hardwood floors, and stone fireplace. To the right is the formal dining room with front-facing windows. To the left of the entry is a full bath with large walk-in shower, and bedroom number 2, well lit by the front-facing oversized window. Moving through the main level, bedroom 3 has rear-facing window and is just next door to another full bath with transom window over the tub shower combination. This full bath is shared with bedroom 4. On the rear of the home overlooking the deck is the breakfast nook with chair rail and eat-in bar. The well-appointed kitchen boasts granite countertops, double oven range, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinetry. Just off the kitchen is the large master suite with his and hers walk-in closets, and a luxurious bath featuring dual vanity, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. Also off the kitchen is garage entry, powder room, and stairs to the second level. Upstairs is a huge bonus room, perfect for a media room, playroom, or both. Off of the bonus is a large flex space, which could be used for storage or a home office. To recap, 7601 Pensgrove Road sits on a large corner lot with a backyard built to entertain. The home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, bonus room, and stone fireplace.